Okay, today we're going to demonstrate our vertical cable balustrade infill system. It's made with a 2.5mm steel cable, either in stainless steel or in black steel, chemical treated black stainless steel like this. And it's designed to infill panels like this. This particular railing here is in stainless steel and it's been tapped M6. Now the spacings between these that we recommend would be 80mm between cables, and that enables them to meet the building regulations, certainly in the UK, that would stop any sphere over 100mm passing through. Now, to know you've got the best tension in these cables, you don't want the maximum central deflection to go beyond 95mm. So if you make the centers of the holes 80mm, you'll stay within that. This particular cable's in black. It still has stainless steel ends on and stainless steel fixings. And the fittings rotate on the cable to stop the cable twisting. So they'll literally just tap straight into a pre-tapped hole, like so, and they turn on the cable, which makes the installation much easier. And once the cable comes under tension, there's about 70 kilograms force in it, in each cable. So there's spanner flaps on these fittings, so you could actually really tighten them in. But once a cable comes tight like this, you don't really need to tighten it much more. And then there's these dome nuts that basically just screw over the fitting to cap it off, like so. So the most important thing to do with these cables is to actually, if you can measure face to face of the item that you're fitting the vertical cable system to, we would make them in our factory exactly the right length to give you the optimum tension. Why would you want to use vertical steel cable balustrade infill? There's quite a few reasons. Basically, it's quite a cost-effective way of infilling gaps. It's virtually maintenance-free once it's put in, being stainless steel. It complies with building regulations in the vertical plane. It would add value to an area that it's used in. Doesn't get affected by snow or things like that. They basically just pass straight through it. Doesn't need cleaning like glass, although it could do with the odd wipe off every now and again. And it's aesthetically a very pleasing product once it's in place. Doesn't get affected by wind and gives you a clear view of an environment whilst actually providing a safe infill. We're offering 10% off our vertical balustrade cable system. If you enter the code Balustrade10 at checkout, you will get your 10%. That's until the end of June 2025.